I always find it hilarious how other ad platforms will advertise on their competitors' ad platform to build it up, right? It's just, I remember Google was advertising on Facebook, and Facebook would advertise on Google, and basically most advertisers like myself, we try out multiple platforms anyway, right? So it's natural for us to be like, oh, there's this new kid on the block, TikTok. Let's see what that's all about, right? So I'm all for testing new platforms, but I've also noticed that it has a very Snapchat feel to it. Here's what I mean. When Snapchat ads came out, all of us who were running a lot of Facebook ads were like, well, I wonder what products we have sell to 16 to 24-year-olds at a high volume. So we'd go through our client base, we'd see mostly physical product type stuff. Okay, cool. Let's go and try it over there. Some brands would hit, some not so much. But what would always become the issue is we don't have great tracking like Facebook. We don't or Google for that matter. We don't really know where these clicks are coming from. Who's actually clicking our stuff? Is it actual buyers? Most of the time it's not. And what I'm finding with TikTok, it's hit and miss, just like Snapchat was when they first came out with their platform. I mean, Facebook was the same too, but look how it's evolved. It's a multi-billion-dollar business of just this. Like, that's the side hustle in the beginning of Facebook, was just, hey, let's run some ads just to keep this thing going. Now it's the primary business, right? And TikTok knows, yeah, paying the creators, that's the YouTube approach, right? Pay the creators, they keep coming back, naturally we'll make something of it. And then of course YouTube ads came along, and so on and so forth. But TikTok is finding that there's only so much I want to advertise on the platform to a bunch of kids dancing. Are they going to buy anything? And if they don't buy anything, I'm not going to run my ads there. And right now it's hit and miss, unless it's a really cool gadget, or you can put it in front of the right influencer at the right time and they know how to talk to their audience. It's not a lot of money that I can optimize and make it work in our favor. Some people I know are killing it, but unless you can put it in front of a bunch of 18 to 24-year-olds who are with a credit card or they have some money in the bank, you're basically advertising to a bunch of kids, which might be worth it in the future. But what about the brands that want to make money now? And that's where we have some issues.